The house, which was designed to provide a calm, private retreat for a Danish couple and their extended family, stands alone in a small meadow surrounded by coastal pine and oak trees on the western shores of Sjælland with views across the water to the island of Sajero. Although it is located within a traditional summerhouse area, the house exemplifies a new type of second home, an outpost for the owner's now common work-from-home lifestyle, a contrast to their inner-city apartment, and a refuge during the height of the coronavirus pandemic. Comprising a perfect prism of Italian travertine with a large, square void carved out from its center, Vollerup Atrium House presents as an unexpected monolith inserted into the bucolic surrounds. The soft, porous stone settles the house and gives it a sculptural quality, while the dominant horizontal lines reflect the horizon beyond the irregular vertical trunks of the pines. On arrival, the house confronts visitors with a large, closed wall of the travertine and two immense oak-paneled sliding gates which provide access to the garage and central atrium. This large and flexible space provides a refuge from the inclement Danish weather and a space for family gatherings. It contains a series of protected, curated spaces set between the hawthorn trees and reflection pond, offering a perfect spot for any time of the day. Forming the northern edge of the atrium and contrasting this large space is the modestly sized dwelling. This has been designed by the architects as an egoistbeleg, a suite of intimate, oak-lined spaces, partially divided by joinery into a cooking and eating area, a lounge and a sleeping area which can be fully separated with a concealed sliding wall. The continuity of these spaces and the expansive northerly views create a sense of openness and calm grandeur despite the small floor area. Uninterrupted surfaces of travertine and oak are washed with indirect sunlight from remotely operable south-facing windows in a raised ceiling lantern. Built-in furniture, joinery, window frames and a bespoke acoustic ceiling solution are crafted from oiled oak and coalesce into a calm backdrop for a collection of mid-century furniture. Wrapping around the other edges of the atrium are a hidden garage, a covered terrace and a guest wing. The comfortable guest space accommodates up to 6 visitors and can be isolated from the main dwelling and concealed, preserving the sense of intimacy in the rest of the house when it is not in use. Summerhouse Vollerup was awarded the Kalundborg Commune Architecture Prize.